Welcome to this step-by-step demo on how ClickFunnels works in 2025. In just a few minutes, you'll see how to build high-converting sales funnels using the latest tools and features. ClickFunnels 2.0 has revolutionized the way entrepreneurs and businesses sell online. It's more than just a funnel builder. It's an all-in-one platform for creating websites, blogs, membership sites, and more. Let's get started. First, log into your ClickFunnels 2.0 dashboard. You'll see a modern, user-friendly interface designed to make building funnels easier than ever. Next, head to the Funnel Builder. ClickFunnels 2.0 gives you pre-designed templates for lead generation, product sales, webinars, and memberships. Simply choose the one that fits your business and customize it to your brand. Each funnel step is built with a drag-and-drop editor. You can easily add headlines, images, videos, and call-to-action buttons. Plus, the built-in analytics help you track your funnel performance in real time. Want to add a membership site or a blog? ClickFunnels 2.0 has it covered. With just a few clicks, you can launch an entire online business from one platform. And that's how ClickFunnels works in 2025. If you're serious about growing your online business and want to see more step-by-step tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to Build Sales Funnel. I'll be sharing detailed guides, funnel strategies, and insider tips to help you maximize your sales and conversions. Subscribe now and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.